Oh my gosh. Bro, you see a Dream making weird noises and George? Bro, you understand I love that man Dream to death. Hey, yo. No, I'm not no Aiden Ross. No, I'm not. I like Dream because I'm a stan. You feel me? But, hey, bro, seriously, man. I'm sorry I couldn't post, man. It's hard for me to post, bro. Dream haters are really blowing me, man. They are getting to me, bro. Dream haters have been always getting to me, man. I'm about to tear up, bro. I might not post anymore again, y'all. We supposed to be reaching 1K subscribers, but Dream haters keep unsubscribing. All my Dream stands rise up! Bro, I need all my Dream stands to start tapping in with me, bro, and like this video.
Are we live?
Where my Dream stands?
I don't know if we're live. Yay, we're live. Hello, everyone. How do I pop out the chat? Boom, there we go. Chat popped out.
We live,
drag
y'all.
This over here. Hello, my Dream. Hey, Dream! No! Language!
Yo, I love when people shout his name out, bro. Hey, yo, that's not weird. It's just like his name is amazing. Like, his name is Dream. You feel me?
Oh my gosh! What the muffin? Bad Dream. I am live. Stop it!
I ain't gonna lie, any weird noise that Dream makes in this video, I might make. Because anything that Dream does, I do. Hey, yo! That's not what you're about to say. That's not sucking him. I'm not a groupie. I'm a stan. I really like this man. I like to watch his content. I like everything about Dream. He's a great guy. And what is wrong with liking great people? Like, what? You're weird. And that's what I'm talking about, them Dream haters, man. Bro,
stop! Everybody, I want to apologize for these muffin heads, okay? How do I change to the title? Stop! I am live. No. Man hunt practice. Stop! I'm live! Stop!
Yo, they just all in his ear.
Okay.
They all in his stream. Bro, Dream is a troll. Dream.
Taught them a lesson. Stop! George, be quiet. Don't join again, you little muffin heads.
Why is he calling them muffin heads? Nah, he's
oh my
funny,
goodness,
bro.
they're ruining my stream. Stop! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Dream, go away!
Nah, this is funny, bro.
All right, let me make sure
Dream, you gotta be stopped, bro. Nobody can stop Dream, bro. I think I'm the only person that can stop Dream since I'm a
set
real
up
stan,
correctly.
bro.
Hi, everybody. I'm sorry for their verbose, unacceptable humor. I'm going to. Okay, stream is live. Happy face and tweet. Okay. What else was I gonna do? Stop! Stop! Language! Preemptive language! Stop it!
Yo, they sounded like, I don't know, they sounded like robots or something, bro. From a different universe.
Hi, everyone. All right. I think we're good. I think they're gonna behave. Hi, guys. Hopefully you're doing good. Let me, I need to post this in my Discord really quick. 1 second.
Subscribe, man. For real, if you a Dream hater, man.
That is cool.
Please leave, bro.
Where do I put this? Okay, here we go. Hold on, guys. 1 second. I'm still getting some stuff set up. Anyway, how are you guys doing today? Hopefully you guys are doing good. I apologize for those muffin heads' horrendous behavior. They are being bad potatoes at everyone late night.
You called them muffin heads. Like, yo!
Stop! Stop it. All right,
called
we're doing
them
a late
bucket
night
heads.
manhunt practice stream. And these people are ruining my hi. Can you stop it?
Nah, he is ultimate troll. He is ultimate troll. I'm doing a video now.
Hey, man. What do you mean I vanished?
Yeah,
What are you talking about? I'm still here.
Ew.
Is it working? No, it says it's working. Hi, everyone. Hello? Working? No? It says it's working. What do you mean?
What's
Why
working?
did you do that? Everybody smack the follow button. Is it working or not? Did it break for anyone else? Can you guys see me? You better be kidding. It better not be having issues again. Hi. You know what I'm thinking? I think they route.
They still not saying
Can
it.
you stop?
As soon as I say it, Dream or George is making some weird noises,
Go
bro.
away!
Hey,
Oh my
yo.
goodness, they keep joining. I need to turn that
Hey,
on.
yo.
Hello, it's working. Hi, I think Twitch routes people through two like different areas. I don't know. Anyway, point is it working? No, it's offline. We can't see you. Are you guys trolling me? Hold on. No, it's offline. We can't see you. Are you guys trolling? You are trolling me. Stop. I'm trying to.
Muted.
Can you be quiet? Dang it, George. I'm gonna ban him. I'm gonna ban George. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna get him in here. Okay, George.
No, what?
No, listen. Do you remember what we had scheduled tonight?
User was
And-
moved to your channel.
I'm streaming, guys. Don't you remember what we had scheduled? Hello?
Is he
It's
talking bad? Your mic's muted.
It's not muted. Stop telling people that.
You hear him?
Yo, George is a troll.
Oh my goodness. Can you
Troll.
stop? I know you're Dream, go away.
Yo.
Stop. You can't stop. No
I ain't gonna lie,
trolling.
where's Dream at? I gotta hear some more screaming of Dream. Anytime he screams, he does anything, bro, I get mad happy. Hey, yo. That's not weird, bro. I told you, bro. That's
Can
what
they
you
actually not hear me?
understand.
Hello?
Where is
Dream
he?
stands
Okay,
right
guys,
up.
stop. This is almost as bad as YouTube. Stop it. Okay, listen. I said, remember how we said we were going to
Guys,
practice?
he's trying to fix his mic.
Dream.
He'll get it
that's not
fixed
Dream.
eventually.
Stop! You can hear me. Admit it. Hello? Can you actually not hear me? Hold on one second.
Leave the stream. He's gonna fix the mic.
Are you spamming Discord?
Hello? Can you hear me now? Oh my goodness. What's wrong with it? Hello? Testing.
Buddy
Hello?
left your channel.
No,
Buddy
don't
joined your
leave.
channel.
Hold on. I'll fix it. 1 second.
Buddy joined your
I'll
channel.
fix it. 1 second.
Dream.
Don't leave.
His mic's broken.
Listen,
I'm fixing it. Hold
I don't know where.
on.
Is he even here?
I'm fixing it.
Does he even know
1
he's
second.
streaming?
Oh my goodness!
Yeah, he knows he's live. He said he was gonna go live.
Hold on. Okay.
What's gonna happen?
This is so weird.
Do I need to restart? Hello?
His stream's frozen. It's just
And then
the
unplug it.
microphone.
Oh, so we have been looking at this screen the whole time, but Dream and George be cracking me
He's not
up,
even talking.
gang, on AO.
All right, let's just sing. Then we can sing karaoke.
Can you hear me now?
Can they hear
Hello?
us?
Yes, I
Probably.
can hear you.
Probably not, actually.
Yes.
Oh, his stream's moving.
Oh my goodness.
God.
I know
I'm
it's
told.
moving.
What's a good song to karaoke?
Oh my goodness. Do not karaoke. Stop.
Thing,
Stop. No. No. I can
Wow.
hear you. Stop. No. Not that.
Certified freak.
Stop it.
7
Stop.
days a week.
Stop. Stop.
Yo,
Stop.
why is he saying
Stop.
that, bro?
Stop.
He's saying stop in the back.
Stop
He's
it.
here?
I can hear you. Okay? Can
He's here.
you
He can hear us.
me?
Wet.
Ah! Ah!
Nah, this is funny, bro.
Stop. Stop it. Stop. Language.
Is his
Okay.
mic unplugged?
My goodness! Okay, 1 second.
What happened?
Hello?
I ain't gonna lie, George and Dream is the best shows ever, especially Dream. Hit the subscribe, bro. I'm out, man. For real, I'm out.